Guys, you're in my house. Welcome everybody, and welcome to all the new faces. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Dallas. I have been living here in Madrid for a year and a half, teaching English, and this is my first time I'm going to actually show you guys what my life like is here in Madrid, a little apartment tour, and then what I do on the daily. I don't know why it has taken me so long to make this video. I wanted to make it so long ago, but I just like never have time, it feels like. So today what we're gonna do is nothing crazy. Most of the day we're just gonna stay home. I'm gonna make some lunch, and then maybe later I'm gonna go to a couple shops, show you guys around my neighborhood. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. I would be more than happy to answer those for you. I know that a lot of people, especially Americans, want to move abroad right now to Europe and Spain, so if you guys have questions about that, let me know. My apartment is a little bit dirty, so please don't judge. Let's get started. This is my living room area with the dining table. We have a plant and some really beautiful lighting. Over here is my boyfriend's PlayStation setup. We also have a huge TV and a lamp. It's pretty spacious for a living room in Madrid. And then of course we have AC because the summers here are brutal. So to the left of the living room is our cutie room. It's pretty bare because we're in the process of moving out, believe it or not. It's pretty small, but it does the job. So this is where John Marco's stuff goes, and then this wardrobe is kind of my stuff, and then under the bed there is some storage that we use, and then he puts all his hats here, and then of course we need to have AC, and then this is our view. So pretty, honestly. We get the best sunset. Okay, so then we have this desk. It's really bare right now, but this wall used to be filled with photos and I loved it, but obviously I had to take them all down. We have our hamper, and then we have a mirror. So leaving the living room, you also have the bathroom. It's pink, which I'm obsessed with. Don't mind our box because we are packing. And then we have an interior window, which is really nice because we get some natural lighting. You can kind of see it from this angle too. It's really nice. We have a ton of storage. Don't mind my cooking, but this is the kitchen. I'm cooking up a storm right now. But we have an air fryer, an oven, and then we also get this interior window, which is nice. John Marco took pictures of me and he didn't do horrible, so maybe we're gonna see them. And now we're going to Gran Via because tell them what happened, John Marco.
Oh, I lost my wallet, but I'm blessed enough because somebody found it at on the metro, I think.
Yeah.
And they just gave it to the lost and found like area and like whatever store, or I don't know how it's called.
Anyways, we're gonna go pick up his wallet because he lost it, and he called and they found it in the metro station. So we're going to Gran Via because that's where he left it.
Yeah, and so since I felt lucky, I tried my luck with like a lottery. I won 10 euros, so I bought like a 10 euro like card. I won 10 euros, I bought another one and I didn't win shit, so I mean,
he actually lost 10 euros,
back.
but yeah. Guys, look how many people are in Gran Via right now. I'm not kidding. It's like this all the time, no matter what time of year it is. People everywhere. We're at Antonia Pizza because John Marco needs a pizza slice apparently. Doesn't look bad. Only 3 euros per slice. Pepperoni?
Pepperoni pizza.
You're so American.
You know that like a guy today came to the store, like I swear to God, like he came in and he said, "You look American."
Yeah.
Like a Spanish guy, or like I don't know where he was from.
Because the way you're dressed.
And I was like, is that supposed to be a compliment or?
Over there is Plaza Mayor. And my boyfriend. John Marco, say hi to the vlog.
What's up, y'all? We're in Madrid.
Mercado de San Miguel. It's like the most famous market here in Madrid, but in my opinion is not the best. So right now we're at La Concha, one of my favorite places to get vermouth because they make their own and usually it's packed. Cheers, chin chin.
Cheers, chin chin.
Every time people are like the food in the US is bad, I tell them one thing I can agree on: the quality is bad, but the food in general is not bad because like we didn't invent a lot of stuff, but we have a shit ton of options. You can literally, my favorite thing there too is like you can have any diet in the world and you can find like somewhere that will like accommodate. That is not the case for a lot of places here, and I hate that. Milk, vegetarian, vegan, gluten free. It's hard even here in San Marco.
Good morning! It's currently 9 a.m., 9 something, and we're on our way to El Rastro Flea Market. You have to go in the morning, not only because it's way cooler, but because then you can like miss the crowd of people because it gets so crowded during the day. So we're gonna go do that, go to the supermarket, and it's game day, so we're gonna go watch the final FIFA World Cup game. We love to see the tourism go home sign. Guys, I didn't end up getting anything, but now we're going to Dia. Oh my god, the line is so long. Only €3. That's pretty good. I'm gonna make a salad with strawberries in it. Grocery haul, 2 croissants, fresh orange juice, salad, grapes, strawberries, feta cheese, or then something Gianmarco got. Now we're getting ready to go eat an early dinner, and then we're going to this like bar, I don't even know what it is, to watch the game there. Like, I look phenomenal. The block is hot. Look at everyone out right now. All of the roads are shut down. You can only walk.
I'm happy Spain won because I wanted her to like experience like the World Cup final. If you win the World Cup, like what's happening in a place if you win the World Cup, you know?
Like the country. It's like fucking Disneyland, guys! What a time to be in Madrid right now, honestly. Wow,